welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I'm Kenny. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll really appreciate that. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my braid out tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Please make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I'll really appreciate that. You can also press that bell beside the subscribe button so you are notified of my new uploads. Anytime I have a new video up here, you'll be the first to get the notification. If you've been following me for a while now, you know that braid out for me used to be a no thing, because it used to take me forever to braid my hair. It would take me forever to take my braid out, and also I would just meet myself with this frizzy mess after separating my hair. Right now that I'm looking at this braid out, I'm just like looking at myself and asking myself, why didn't I just give braid out a couple of more shots and practice it and master it like I mastered twist out? If you are like me, that braid out is no for you too, let me give you some tips. The first tips is that you want to make sure that you detangle your hair really well. Every subsection of hair you are taking to braid, you want to make sure that you detangle it really well, because if you don't do that, when you are braiding your hair or when you are taking your hair down, you meet yourself with a lot of kink that will make it very discouraging. And also when you're braiding your hair, you want to make sure that the part in which you divide the three braids, so you want to make sure that you divide them into 3 equal parts. If you don't do that as well, when you are braiding your hair, it may be fine, but when you are taking it out, it will be more difficult for you to take out, because the easier way of pulling it apart and taking out, and the curls separating or the braids separating may be more difficult if you don't put your hair in 3 equal parts, if you don't divide that subsection of hair you are braiding into 3 equal parts. And the third tip I'm going to give you is that make sure you use a very good curl defining cream that will give you a good curl definition, so that when you are separating your hair, you are not left with like a frizzy, messy hair. This is how I want my hair to look every time I take my braid or twist. This is how I want them to look. Let me stop rambling. Let's just get into the video so that you see how I got this style that is getting me all hyped up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave nice comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoy it. Don't forget to share it with whoever you think it's gonna be of help to if you enjoyed this video as well. Thank you guys, and I'll catch you in my next video. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start on my freshly cleansed, deep conditioned and detangled hair. I put my hair in those hair bands to stretch it out and also so that it doesn't tangle up again. I'll start by putting my hair in sections so it's easy for me to work with it. I'm gonna start by making my leave-in mixture. I'll take the Shea Moisture JBC leave-in conditioner and I'll add a teeny bit of it in warm water in this spray bottle, and that is what I'll first use to moisturize my hair. I'm going to start by spritzing my hair with that leave-in mixture to make it damp. Work that really into my hair, and to further moisturize my hair, I'll be using the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Color Enhancing Smoothie, and I'll work that into my hair really well as well. And to seal in the moisture from those two products, I'll be using olive oil. So that is how I moisturize my hair before I go in to braid my hair. I'm going to take subsection of hair and I'll start by detangling it really well with this pink comb, and I'll take Eco Styler Gel, the black castor and flaxseed oil one, and I'm going to work that really into my hair. That is what I'm going to be using as my style. I didn't use too much of this product. I use a teeny bit of it, but I really work it into my hair to make sure that every strand of my hair is coated with the product. I'll divide my hair into 3 equal parts and I'll start braiding it, starting from the roots of my hair down to the tip. Once I get to the tip of my hair, I'm going to twirl the ends to secure it, and also so I have that curly end once I take my braid out. I'm going to be showing you that again. I'll take that subsection of hair, detangle it really well, apply my styler, which is Eco Styler Gel, put my hair in divide my hair into 3 sections and braid that hair. I'm going to be doing something different with this braid. Once I get to a length where one of the 3 divided parts cannot be braided any longer, I'll twist the remainder of my hair and twirl the ends. I'm going to be showing you that one more time.
Wow.
So this is the all of my hair. Once everything is braided, I keep it in this hair tie to keep it out of my face and my hair. And this is a couple of days after my hair is completely dry. I'll put olive oil on my palm to take my braids out to avoid freeze. Take my braid out, I'll start by unraveling it, separating it, and once I get to where I feel I can pull my hair apart to make separating it easier, I'm going to do that. And because of the tips I shared in the introduction of this video, that is what makes it easier for me to be able to pull my hair apart and separate it faster. So this is the whole of my hair. Once everything is separated, see how curly, see the definition and how moisturized and shiny my hair is. I'm going to put my hair in hair tie to make sure every bit of my hair is turned to, and I'll take each unraveled braid and I'll start separating it where my hair would naturally separate. I won't force any hair to separate so as to reduce freeze in my hair. So that is all I'm doing right here. Once I'm done separating all the unraveled twists, I'll put my hair in these side parts afro. I always go for pick the roots of my hair, and that is that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll really appreciate that. Thank you guys, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye guys.